Right, let's see. Time to get some spot welds on this. As I said, the surface has got to be so clean, otherwise it just doesn't work. So, right, let's get some spot welds along there. Oh, God, does your back in holding that thing. Just get a bit of extra prime on this before it. Stop the bulk of it. Gotta love my X primer. This mate seems to just go on really well. I've tried other mates, it's not very good. So the old Autotech stuff. Just get some on there. Alright, brilliant. Boy racer just going past. Alright, let's do the rear subframe mount now. Okay, I've got the strengthening plate bolted back into the subframe mount. Make sure the subframe's in the right position this time. So we're going to get some welds on that. And they're going to see how repairable this is. It's not brilliant, but I'll cut this off. This is a strengthening plate that goes inside. So we'll cut that off and see if we can do anything with that. If not, I'll have to make something new up. And then yeah, also I'm going to cut these brace bars out now as well. Don't need these anymore. And then yeah, go from there. Alright, got that tacked in, or stitch welding. So the next thing is to make this, the strength of the bracket that goes along the top here. Add a bit more strength into that. I need to clean that up off the whole bit of metal. This stuff around here, the excess, I'll deal with that once the car's, I'll get the other welds plugged through from the inside. And then I'll get the car up on its side and then I'll trim that off and fold it over to make it try and look like the original seam that was there, and plug weld it again. I'm just going to stop doing that for a bit. Oh, my hands are just vibrating by all the grinding I've been doing. And yeah, it's just getting tired. Anyway, alright, well, just have a break for 5 minutes, and then what I think I might just do is put this box section in, because I feel like that's a nice little job to do. Instead of grinding, all I've got to do is drill some holes, bang, weld the thing in. So I'm going to do that in a second. Well, I said I was going to put this in, but to be honest, it needs some repairing first. I can't put it in like that. Some of these ends just need doing. They don't, not much, just needs the corners put back on there. I think the rest will be alright. So let's do that first. Trim those off and put some corners back on it. Okay, I think my battery went flat a bit in that, so I don't know how much I got lost. Oh, shit. So, turn off the compressor back on. So I just drilled some holes to be plug weld. So we'll get that welded in now. Alright, got that plug welded in. I'll just give it a clean up with a flappy disc and get a bit of box etch prime on it. Stop it going rusty as always. Alright. Alright, I think that's it for another video for the moment. I need to call it a day, actually have a bath and a clean up. Always wanted to get more done, wanted to get the quarter panel on. Be another day, be another day.